Alright guys, as you can see the heater is on. Uh it's cold outside. It's it's snow. The Eclipse gets some snow too. It's not that good, but yeah. So I got a heater and not much I can do on the car right now. I did, however, receive something that I'm gonna show you. You've probably already seen it, but yeah, this is what I was waiting for a while now, and there we go. A quarter panel window plug from Carbonetics. It seals this window perfectly. There is a little bit over here that I might have to probably grind it just so this whole thing gets flushed with the body, but yeah, that's not a big deal. Important part here that's not sticking out too much because of the trunk when trunk goes on it. But yeah, it looks it looks it looks really nice. I love it. Right now I'm trying to figure out what would be the best sealant for this part. I'm trying to find out what would seal the best without, of course, water going in. So I have to do a little bit of research. Uh, Everybody's talking about the windshield, uh, windshield sealer or silicone, whatever it is used for windshield. Pretty much to use the same on that. Uh, so yeah, I guess I will have to go with that eventually. There is a new tools, a set that I got. I'm gonna review that later. Uh, like I said, it's really cold outside. Not much I can do on this car. Un Unless this thing heats this place really good, then I'll probably go ahead and start doing something just to keep me going with this car, because it's been sitting. It's been sitting already for three months. So I need to start doing things to it. Already painted it, like you can see, and the problem is money. You know, not much money is coming in. So yeah, that's why I'm holding off on some things. You know, and I'm uh, planning a trip to Europe. So yeah, that's gonna cost also. So that's pretty much why this whole build is on pause right now. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure things gonna, start moving pretty soon. Uh, I'm getting, like I said, I already got the knuckles, so I'm getting the Brembo brakes sometimes next week. Uh, then I will assemble the whole subframe. I'm gonna paint that thing and sand it and paint it. And after that, I will probably, like I said, put the Brembos on, check it out, see how it goes. As well, the plan is to get rims for this baby, because my other Eclipse, I already moved those F1s from OZ Rally Yankees. I moved those to the GSX because it had a 18s that rubbed, and it was nasty. So yeah, but yeah, this video is pretty much about this part. Uh, the carbon looks awesome. I'm really surprised with this bezel around it. It's just done super nice. The quality, as usual, is badass. You know, there's some minor things here and there, but other than that, it's, as you can see, it's just sick looking carbon fiber part. I noticed though that there is a like a red paint chips like there and there. There's a couple of spots, but I think it's not gonna affect nothing. Uh, uh, like I said, it's just for this is mainly I bought it for look because uh, the windows, you know, it's just I don't know. I just like everything carbon, so I'm waiting for wiper cowl, the full carbon as well. Fenders, doors, trunk. I was thinking to remove the sunroof, but now I'm gonna leave it. It looks super sexy with open sunroof like that. When you're driving, chilling, it looks super sick. As well as I will do OEM wing in the back. The spoiler is gonna be carbon fiber as well. So yeah, pretty much that's about it, guys. I'm probably today, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, but yeah, I'm gonna probably do some research about the sealing that I have to put for that. Uh, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Today is Thanksgiving, so I can't do much. You know, we're gonna have some dinner and family stuff. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I will I will update you guys on what's going on with the car, and yeah, make sure you like it, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.